In the enchanting land of Etherea, time was a powerful force that governed every aspect of life. The inhabitants of this mystical realm had a deep connection to the flow of time, and they understood the importance of managing it wisely. At the heart of Etherea stood the great clock tower, a majestic structure that pierced the sky with its intricate gears and hands that moved with a rhythmic precision. The Keeper of Time, a wise old wizard named Orlan, was tasked with ensuring that the clock tower ran smoothly and that time flowed uninterrupted throughout the land. Orlan was a master of time management, his keen eyes able to spot even the tiniest disruptions in the flow of time. He would spend his days studying the movements of the clock tower, making minor adjustments to keep time in perfect harmony. But one day, as he gazed upon the clock tower, he noticed a small crack in the foundation. Alarmed, Orlan knew that if the crack were not repaired, it would lead to a catastrophic breakdown of the entire clock tower, throwing time into chaos in Etherea. Determined to prevent this disaster, Orlan set out on a quest to find the elusive time shards, powerful crystals that held the key to repairing the crack and restoring balance to time. As Orlan ventured into the depths of the enchanted forest, he encountered all manner of creatures that tested his time management skills. The mischievous fairies would play tricks on him, causing him to lose precious moments. The cunning goblins would try to distract him with shiny baubles, tempting him to veer off course. But Orlan remained focused, using his expertise in time management to navigate through the challenges and stay on track. He carefully allocated his time, always mindful of the ticking clock that loomed over him. With each step he took, he grew closer to finding the time shards and saving Etherea from the impending time crisis. As he reached the hidden cave where the time shards were said to be kept, Orlan was met with a final test of his time management skills. The cave was filled with winding passages and shifting walls, designed to confuse and disorient anyone who dared to enter. Orlan relied on his intuition and his ability to stay grounded in the present moment, carefully mapping out his path through the maze. At last, he reached the chamber where the time shards lay gleaming in the soft light. With a steady hand, he gathered the shards and began the delicate process of repairing the crack in the clock tower. As he worked, he felt a sense of calm wash over him, a deep connection to the flow of time that surrounded him. After hours of meticulous work, the crack was finally sealed, and the clock tower hummed with renewed energy. Time once again flowed smoothly through Etherea, restoring harmony to the land. Orlan stood back, his heart filled with pride at a job well done. As he made his way back to the great clock tower, Orlan reflected on the journey he had undertaken and